In Zimbabwe, as part of the CGIAR agroecology initiatives, we used participatory timelines to learn about the experiences of different actors in the past events related to agroecological transformations. We wanted to understand how actors' behaviors had changed and how events had impacted their power and agency and their involvement in governance processes. The different living labs produced different timelines, so it was clear we couldn't assume that what was important in one living lab was important in the other, or the events that they experienced were the same in the two living landscapes. For the workshop, we were worried about women having high voice and about farmers being able to share their experiences very openly with other stakeholders in the room. So we split our participants into subgroups of women farmers, men farmers, and one for stakeholders who were largely from the government ministries. We needed more time than we expected, probably about 3 hours with each living lab, because there are a lot of different perspectives and the impact of these events to understand.
Taita zvokurima musaidi merwizi tichiti kuda ndo panokwanisa kuwana gohwo rakanaka, but at the end of the day takazoona kuti taitokanganisa mamirenzi dzedu, madziva anga akuvharika, a lot of things. Iyo minda yacho yanga yakuparira zvikare.
Kurimira munyasi merukohwa zvakagara zviripo kubva kare vuchitanga kare. Generation yepakati apa ndiyo yanga tikanganisei. Asi pari zvino takudzokeredza zvakare kuti tireclaim nzvimbo yedu idzokere pachinyakare, kudzokera painga iri.
Tanga tisingapiwewo mukana yekuita decision making, asi izvezvi kupfurikidza nematrainings aiitwa, vana baba vakuzoti aiwa mai vane sei pai pamba. Saka kana kungave kumunda taane zvindimo zvedu zvekuti tinorimawo mbeu dzedu dzatinoda, dzakamirirawo dzatinokwanisa kumirira, dzatine simba nadzo.
Mukutambo munoita maboyfriends, after waita boyfriend ndopanomboita mwana yokusiya wakadaro. Oficho nengo usina zvokuita, wakwanisa wakuenda kubhawo chitindotsvaga mari uriritira mumwe. But noda kwezvirongwa zvakuya munharaunda, mamwe mayuth ndakutomadzidzisawo kuti zvonichi tofana kuzvishandira, uyezve tofana kuita kurima, kushandisa maoko edu, tisangogarira maoko.
Mararamiro ataita kumashure chaikonzeresa mhirizhonga ndechekuti mari, tikarima mari yaigara nemurume pahomwe, yanga isingapiwe mukadzi.
After the timeline workshops, we went around and interviewed additional stakeholders because we didn't feel that they understood their role. We understood their role over the past timeline. So we went on and talked to non-farmer actors, just who had not been involved in the previous workshops, just to understand whom we should try and engage with more within our goals going forward. So looking in general at the government restructuring, it was concentrating more and more power on the local government. And we understood that we need to create lasting change. For us to create lasting change within the O's, we need to engage and collaborate with these local agencies, making sure that our agendas align with them. We could also see that women farmers and men had different opportunities that they benefited from through different pathways. Men, for instance, gained more opportunities through things like land redistribution and agricultural financing. And at the same time, women gained agency through empowerment programs that were coming with different organizations.
Challenges anosangana nevarimi ndo ekuti mvura kunoku inonaya shoma, kukanguva kadiki bva yaenda, but chirongwa chinoichi chakaintroduce conservation agriculture inova iyo inoshandisa mulching inoita kuti unyoro huchengetedzeke kwenguva yakati rebei zvokuti murimi haazoshayiwo gohwo raanowana.
So Forestry Commission trained communities on sustainable forest conservation, trained communities on wetland conservation, trained communities on water conservation, particularly to do with wetland where people are farming along the river bank, that there's the stream bank cultivation.
Kuburikidza neurongwa hweagroecology nezvimwe zvirongwa zvese zvaiuya takadzidza kuti miti upenyu.
We have witnessed that agroecology is the key solution to address climate change, improving food security and promoting rural development.